Hey, here we are out in the desert on a 5-day llama pack trip.
Yeah, Chris and Janice here, Arizona Backcountry Life. Water everywhere, it's green, beautiful day, nice and warm.
Yep, January in the desert. It's awesome.
Oh, it should be a good trip, huh? Been an awesome day. I woke up, it was pretty cold, so we stayed in bed for a while. But then we got up and took out the fly because it was full of frost. Kind of tried to dry things out. Chris went hunting and hung around camp, but then he found a good place and we moved up here where it's higher, should be less frost. And maybe the sun will set a little later. And I don't know, it's a good spot for the llamas, dog, everybody. This is pretty cool. Near our camp, somebody collected a bunch of monos that they found at this ancient Indian run. Probably hohokam, since we're near the valley. Sometimes the salados are up here. So, but anyway, they'd hold them in a hand. They use these to grind the corn on. This is part of a metate. Very small piece, but they'd grind their corn with that. So, very, very cool. Check out the view from our front porch, from our tent. It's beautiful out. Weaver's Needle to the right, sun setting. Nice spot.
So last night was, we had stew last night.
You did.
Right?
I had
Janice
made
had freeze
homemade
dry,
stew and I froze it and I seal milled
milled.
it. So all you have to do is drop the bag in some boiling water.
Yeah.
No dishes. You ate out of a bowl, but I just ate right out of the bag. So
yeah.
That works out well.
Hot chocolate and cookies for dessert.
Good morning, Togo. We got Togo. In the back is Troy. Obi's over there in the shade. Here's our camp. It's a beautiful morning, no wind, sun's up. It's my birthday. Happy 62nd birthday to myself. What a better place to spend my birthday. We also have a very happy dog. Nothing better than going camping in the desert. Actually, I don't think she cares where we go camping. But she's welcoming the morning sun, sniffing in the air. She's smelling all sorts of things that I don't even know are there. Check out this little cactus behind me. I think it's a chain fruit cholla, and it looks more like a tree. It's huge. There's a whole bunch of them around here. I don't know what makes them so big here, but they are huge. Very unique. Heading down to take a towel bath. Check out the creek. I hope it's nice and warm. So I picked a spot on the creek that's fairly shallow. Even though it's running, I'm kind of hoping it'll be a little warmer. And I've got my, got some wipes, some clean clothes, a clean shirt, etc. And then my PackTowl. This thing is the greatest thing. I have discovered it is not huge, but it's super, super absorbent. So I use part of it as a washcloth and part of it as a towel. So, alrighty. Ooh. Oh, it's gonna be cold at first, but it'll feel good. Isn't that a pretty creek? Yeah. All right, I'm feeling clean now. So the water was cold, but the sun was warm enough that I dried off really quickly. So it was definitely worth it. So I read a book, and I believe it's called The Old Lady on the Trail, but I will make sure in the description I had the title of the book and the author. And she did a bunch of long distance hiking. She always made sure that she took some sort of bath at the end of the day and explained how it made her feel so much better. I was like, I've been trying to do that since I read the book, so it was a good suggestion. Alrighty, that's the way to pack up camp. I sat and ate breakfast and you did all the work. Thank you.
Yeah, well, somebody's got to do the work around here, and it was your birthday yesterday, so it was like a birthday present.
Aw, thanks. I think it's just a good way to start planning the rest of the time. Every trip out from now on is going to be you pack up, I sit and eat breakfast. Yeah, no, no, all right. All right, Troy, you ready to head down the trail?
Yeah.
How many miles is it?
7 or 8 miles.
Not bad. Nice day.
Day 5, short sleeves.
Yeah.
Pretty nice.
All right, let's head down the trail. Those 5 days sure went by fast, didn't they?
Yeah, it was a good trip. It was pretty relaxing, really. Did a little bit of hunting, almost got a deer.
I know, it was exciting. I'm glad you had a good day out there hunting.
Yeah, it was really good. Actually, I was around a lot of deer, so you can hear the llamas humming here. They're ready to get in the trailer and head home.
Yeah, and let's think about our next trip.
Yeah. So,
All right, bye.
adios.